Hello, this is Derek Wilson. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a date table using DAX completely within Power BI. So I'm first going to start on my modeling tab and select new table. That's going to give me my DAX expressions. From here, I'm going to create a new table called SalesDate. SalesDate, that will equal the time period of the sale. So I'm going to use the calendar. And I'm just going to use 2019, and then I need to give it an end date, which would be 12/31/2019. Close the parentheses. Now I've got my first column. You can see it's pre-populated with all the dates between those two date ranges. I want to simplify this a little bit and just make it an easier format. The next step I want to do is create a new column just for the year. I'm going to call this SalesYear. And the DAX for that is going to be year. And then I'm going to reference the date column that I just made. And you can see I now have 2019. An additional column. It's coming in. One too many. So this one I'm going to call the sales month number. And I want to return the month from the sales date. Now it's going to give me January, February. Down here you can see is all twos. Some reports, it's good for sorting if I need to put that on there. But I may also want reports that show me what's the actual month number. So I can create a sales month name and then use the format. And then again, use my sales date and then tell that date that I want the first three letters of the month. And now I've got January.